The coronavirus ripped through Meals on Wheels North Jersey, like so many organizations in this area. We had to pivot quickly and reorganize what we were doing and how we were going to do it. Like everyone, we were challenged with a learning curve on social distancing. Everything we took for granted, from shopping to going to doctors, was thrown out the door. So we were left with a dilemma. How do we complete our mission of serving meals to people in the midst of a pandemic? Simple. What we did is we turned to our support network, and what we found was a lot of love.
They were very, very glad just to see a smiling, caring face.
March 18th, we stopped delivering regular daily deliveries from our 2 caterers. Our caterers are 2 local nursing care facilities, and for safety reasons, we knew we had to pull out.
In order to adjust for the pandemic was to switch from daily fresh meals to our customers and clients to weekly frozen meals.
So we went out and bought a freezer and ordered 1,000 meals for the following week.
When we got to each individual client's residence, we would hang the food on their front door and either ring the doorbell or go back to the car and call them from the cell phone. But we'd always try to ensure that the client actually did come to the door, could show us that he or she was still safe, healthy, and reasonably okay. And we would also give them a big smile and make sure that they knew that we were doing a check on them to make sure that there was nothing in addition that they needed that we could then relay to other authorities.
Our mission isn't over yet. We still need your help. You can help us in a host of ways, including a tax-deductible donation or through volunteering. We need drivers. It's a very rewarding, and the time commitment is minimal, and we always work around a person's schedule. So please give us a call at 201-358-0050.